Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save on home security with ADT step by step clearly. Step 1. Research the various ADT security plans available. Look for promotions or special discounts on their website. Step 2. Evaluate your home's specific security needs. Consider factors like the size of your home and the neighborhood's safety. Step 3. Determine which features you require. This may include video surveillance, motion detectors, or smart home integration. Step 4. Check for bundled packages that might save you money. Combining services like security monitoring and home automation can often lower costs. Step 5. Look for local ADT dealers or authorized providers. These dealers may offer exclusive deals or custom packages. Step 6. Schedule a free consultation with an ADT representative. This will give you a clear understanding of what the service entails. Step 7. Negotiate the installation and monthly monitoring fees. Don't hesitate to ask if there are any hidden costs or additional fees. Step 8. Consider a longer contract for better rates. Many providers offer discounts for signing longer agreements. Step 9. Ask about referral programs that may offer discounts. If you know someone who already uses ADT, their referral could benefit you both. Step 10. Keep an eye on seasonal promotions and sales. Sometimes companies offer limited time discounts during holidays or special events. Step 11. Review and finalize your chosen plan. Ensure all terms and conditions are clear to avoid surprises later. Step 12. Secure your installation appointment and confirm the details. Make sure you understand what to expect on installation day. Step 13. Familiarize yourself with all the security features after installation. This will help you maximize the system's effectiveness. Step 14. Regularly review your monitoring plan. Over time, your needs may change, and adjustments could lead to savings. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.